Hi guys, I just wanted to show you how you will gonna root your Android device. Just like Chinese, cause you cannot find it on YouTube, and because its brand is not that famous. So yeah, first you want to go to your device. This mine is a tablet, so that will be a different to you. You want to go to settings, then just do what I say. You don't need to look at the screen. Go to settings, developer options, enable USB debugging, and then connect your tablet or iPhone or phone. Wait a second. Let me connect that USB. Okay, here we go. There we go. And you want to download Moborobo first. See, there's my tablet. Here's my tablet. That's the home screen, but it will not move even I move the screen. So yeah, and then this software is gonna read it, and you have to download this one too. I don't know what is it called, but yeah, I'm a bit fucked up here. Oh, I hate this part. There go. It's connecting. My device is Pipo M8. It's from Pipo. Here, let me show you. Here you go, Pipo. So its parts are from Taiwan, but it is made in China. So yeah, Max M8 Pro is mine. This have an English note. What is this? Let's retry that. My USB port is really loosened. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Max M8 Pro. It's an tablet, 9.4 inch, has an IPS display based on LG technology. So wait, let's pause it. Alright, we're back. It's just got some time to reconnect it. So yep. Wait a second. Let me up password. There we go. Now, if this is called Zuodashi, Zuodashi, Zuodashi. When this is connected, there is gonna pop up. There's an app gonna pop up. Don't close that, or else it won't work. See this root here? Click this side. I don't want to do that because I already did mine. So yeah, click this and it will root automatically. And then there's a language. There's a Chinese language that will post there. Copy that. Go to Google. Translate. Then check if it's 100% successful. If doesn't, format your device. Then root it again. So yeah, that's how you're gonna root it. Thanks for watching.